The Pietermaritzburg Magistrate Court found Musawenkosi Mnikathi not guilty after a lengthy period of trial where he was tried by the NPA on the moving of voting materials from a voting station to another. But we'll speak to the CEO of the IEC, Mamabolo. Briefly tell us about what does this judgment mean to the IEC. Thank you very much for your time. Briefly about this judgment.
Well, we've always believed that Mr. Mnikathi acted within the scope of his employment. Section 91 clearly says the CEO can move material to ensure that there's smooth voting processes around the country. But area managers, presiding officers act on behalf of the CEO, and to that extent are authorized to handle as well as to move material with the interest of a smooth voting process for the country.
So what does this judgment mean to the IEC? Does it mean the IEC is responsible to educate the new forming parties about the Electoral Act?
No, certainly. We've got a lot of work to do with emerging political parties, with emerging independent candidates, to ensure that we share with them the correct interpretation of the electoral law. It's part of the duties of the IEC, and it's something that we've got to work on much more than we have before.
So where to from here? Is the case is over? Is there any basically thing that the IEC is going to be doing to try and make sure that this law is interpreted in a correct way?
I don't think this necessarily calls for an amendment. It does call, though, for a clearer explanation through manuals and other training aids that we can think of.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Nyabong.
That was the CEO of IEC briefing us in relation to what the IEC is going to be doing after this judgment. Yes, they are happy that their official was cleared by the court, because this has been a dark cloud over the IEC as well as the official that was arrested. Back to you in studio.